Hi, good day. This is James again from Live Help for Us Computer Services, your BitPOS provider. So today I will teach you on how to use your BitPOS cashiering system. So you can see here that this is our login panel. Then we have here our username and password. So I will be using our default. More than that, for any for different users, uh, for our cashiering system, we can teach that upon um, purchasing of this product. So now I will just teach you on the basics of this cashiering system. So I'll use the defaults of this login panel, and then typing the password. Sorry. Okay, and then here we are here in our um, new interface, our cashiering interface. So here uh, in this tab we will search our product here, and then our cost of our product, and then we can toggle this because here we are manually searching for our product. So DESC, which means description. So if we type Coke, uh, this will pop up our Coke item, and then if we can change this by clicking this one, toggle search. If we click this, you can see that um, it changed into code, meaning this that you will use your barcode scanner in order to locate that specific item that you have already put in your system. So for now, we're using the description since we don't have our barcode scanner. So we'll search our um, Coke. Yeah, we have Coke, and then hit enter to select that item, and then we have also added burger in our system, so we will search for burger, and then there you are, hit enter. So for two items I have a total of 53 pesos. In order to tender these items, just press Control plus enter, or um, you can see it in your keyboard, CTRL plus enter, in order to tender our item. So Control plus enter. So here, so you will be asked by the system to pay now. So here you will put the money of the customer here. So for example, the customer has 100 pesos. So and then hit enter again, and then here payment history. The customer gives you a 100 peso bill, and then hit enter again, and then enter. And then this will ask you to print the receipt of this transaction, so hit enter again, and then this will pop up. So customer's change is 47 pesos because he or she uh, gave you a 100 peso bill, and the amount of uh, the items is 53 pesos, and then it will go back in our cart, or in our main interface of our BitPOS cashiering system. So again, uh, we will punch another item, maybe Pepsi. Okay, hit enter. Okay, if you want to add the quantity of your Pepsi, just click add here. If you're using a standard keyboard, it is very easy to you uh, for adding quantity. But now I'm not using that kind of keyboard, so I will just manually clicking it by my mouse. Okay, so I will make this as 5 quantity. And oh, I forgot, I have only 4 uh, in my cart, so I will just click this subtract or minus, and then it will automatically subtract the quantity of your item. So now we will try to tender this product or this item. So by um, clicking Control plus Enter in your keyboard, you will tender now the specified product. So again, the customer gave you a 100 peso bill, and then hit enter, enter again, and then enter. And then this will ask you to print the receipt, and then hit OK. And then that's the summary of your transaction. Hit OK. And then that's how simple in tendering in our BitPOS cashiering system. So hope you learned a lot and hope you enjoy the video. Subscribe and leave a like. Thank you for watching.